Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the fifth grade concept of place value and expanded notation. This is Standard 5.2a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 10 of the 2025 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so we've got expanded notation here, and we need to write this in word form. So there's a few different ways we can do this. And so let's look at a few of them. First, we can always draw a place value chart and write the number in standard form, and then go from standard form into that word form. So that's one way to do it. Looks like tens place is going to be my highest place. And I've got the ones place. Once you know your highest place, you just make sure you put each place there because you might need a 0 as a placeholder. So we'll put hundredths here, and we'll put thousandths all the way over at the end. All right, so 6 in the tens place. I've got a 2 in the ones place. I've got a 5 in the tenths place. That's my 0.1. Notice I've got nothing in my hundredths place. Okay, so we're missing the hundredths. We're going straight from the tenths to the thousandths. So what do we put in that empty space? We put a 0. Now we're not writing this in standard form, so we're halfway there, but we can at least take this in standard form and move this into our word form. So what we do is we break this up into chunks. Okay, we do a period at a time. So the first period is the ones period that goes ones, tens, hundreds, and so we write this number first. So we would write 62. Remember, our decimal is and. We don't say point, not technically. When we are speaking with our friends, we might say 62 point something. But when we're writing in the technical word form, we're going to use the word and. And then what we do is we say this whole number together. So what is that number? If I just write 509, what would that number be? Well, that would be 500. Now we don't say and 9. We've already used the and. And means decimal. So instead of 509, we would just say 509. Then what we do is we get to what is that place value of that final digit. The final digit, that 9, is sitting in what place? It is in the thousandths place. So let's go ahead and write the thousandths. All right, so 62 and 509 thousandths. Now, there's another way that we could have done this, and you might have done it this way as well. You might have gone straight from the expanded form into the word form, and all you had to do was you had to just make a break, right? You could have done 6 tens, 2 ones. So you could have done 6 tens, 2 ones, and in your mind known that was 62. And then you could have done 5 tenths, and then 9 thousandths. Now this is going to be a little bit harder because you're going to have to realize that you are missing that 0 in the hundredths place, but you could have said 509, knowing that there is an empty spot right there that would need that 0, because basically you're just capturing these digits here. As long as you grab that 0, then you can go straight from this expanded form or expanded notation into the word form. And then the only thing you would need to include would be the and, that's our decimal point. So 62 and 59 hundredths, that's not going to work. 62 and 509 thousandths, that's what we said. 62, 509, there's no unit, but these words look good, but there's no unit. And 59 thousandths, that misses that 0. All right, so our answer here is going to be B.